To the spirit of the dogs, to the spirit of the men, to the spirit of the land. Maybe to a goddess, maybe to a god. Maybe to a community. Maybe. So many maybes. Maybe too much to think. Too much to see. Too much to be known. Everything waiting. Quietly, silently to be found. Shadow of the camera, light of the light, source of the seed, burning bright. Are you ready to do me with my camera? Are you doing me with yours? Or do you want me to do anything or not? To the spirit of the dogs, to the spirit of the men, to the spirit of the land. Maybe to a goddess, maybe to a god. Maybe to a community. Maybe. So many maybes. Oh, I'm posing for a photo. Sorry. Have you got it okay, aye? The button as per usual. If you aren't ready, so is it. Yo, just several as you fancy and I'll move the light around a bit if you will.
It's no bad, I hear it clicking or deening.
It doesn't click, but can you see me?
Yeah.
And does it then go off when you press?
There's a green thing that comes on the back here.
That's the autofocus. I can see purple everywhere with this light now.
Right.
Oh, I've just moved the lights. Could you do a couple? Do you mind? I don't know. Is it hard work? Should I just ask for video?
Right. Do you want to check?
Alright, you tell me. Yes. I've just put that to one side and I'm checking. Here we go. Oh, it's filming somehow.